The Georgia Department of Public Health has reported 4 flu-related deaths in the state this flu season, one of those in Middle Georgia. And local hospitals are seeing a peak in flu activity this week. 41 NBC's Edna Ruiz shows us how you can make sure you're not a victim of the nasty virus.
It's looking like right now that this flu season is going to be worse than last year.
With an increase in positive flu swabs, Coliseum Medical Centers wants you to watch out.
We've had positive flus ever since September, and they kind of wax and wane, although this is definitely an increase across the country.
Brandy Jones, Coliseum's Director of Infection Prevention, has seen more flu cases this year than last.
With all the kids that were out of school for the holidays, now they're back in school, so things spread rapidly through the school systems too.
According to the Georgia Department of Public Health, the flu can be especially harder on children ages 0 through 4.
However, the difference isn't too great between them and those older and up to age 49. We're seeing a high amount of them as well, showing up with those influenza-like illnesses.
One person who was over the age of 65 died because of the flu in Middle Georgia, and more than 300 have already been hospitalized throughout the state.
We're only midway through the flu season this year. We will probably see a change in those numbers, but we want to make sure that everybody knows exactly what they can do to prevent, or if not prevent getting the flu, at least make it not as harsh on themselves.
If you haven't already, get the flu shot. The Department of Public Health says that's the best way to prevent it.
Even if you do get the flu after you've gotten that flu shot, the medicine in you is going to make sure that those symptoms aren't as severe and that the time that you're sick isn't going to be as long as somebody that wasn't vaccinated.
And if you do, make sure to stay home and avoid spreading the virus. In Macon, Edna Ruiz, 41 NBC News.
The Centers for Disease Control have reported 13 flu-related deaths in children this season, so it's important to take precaution and see a doctor if you start seeing flu-like symptoms in your child.